Hi guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for Zoosk application on your mobile device. Zoosk is one of the oldest and most trusted online dating services in the game. As a result, it's been tried and tested millions of times by one of the largest pools of singles out there. It offers, among the services, to analyze your personal information to look for the compatibility you can have with the users registered. In turn, it gives you access to start a conversation with different people of your interest through its platform. It also offers a subscription that allows you to premium access so you can have a greater chance of finding someone who has what you are looking for. Something very important that people generally look for is the security of your information and personal data, which Zoosk protects and manages very well, making it a reliable application. Now, in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to Play Store application on your mobile device and tap on it to open. On the search bar, search for Zoosk. Once you find the relevant result, go and tap on Install button and wait for the downloads to complete. Once you have downloaded the Zoosk application on your mobile device, tap on it to open. Then tap on OK. The process for creating an account on Zoosk application is pretty simple. So go here and select your gender. Now choose the gender that you are interested in. So in order to create an account, just go and tap on to sign up. Now you will have to set your birth date. Once done, go and tap on continue. Now you will have to verify your identity by clicking on to I am a human. Now you will have to choose your body type and choose an answer to the question. You will have to fill up some information like this relating to your education, ethnicity and all. After you are done selecting the answers for your questions, you will now have to add a photo to your profile. You will have to use a clear photo and the photo where you are alone, and the place must be well lit. So you can either choose your photo from your library or you can just take a photo. After you have uploaded your picture, you will land onto this interface where you have to go and tick onto these two boxes. Then tap and continue. Now once you land onto an interface like this, you will have successfully created an account on Zoosk application. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.